Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day to you who is watching this video discussion. So for today, I will present my topic about distinguishing between a discrete and continuous random variable. But before we tackle about it, let's first have a quiz. So you only need to identify if the statement is a discrete random variable or a continuous random variable. I will reveal the answers after our discussion. Without further ado, let's get started. In algebra, variable means one thing, an unknown value. In statistics, we can come across different types of variables. But for our topic today, we will meet random variable. So what is a random variable? A random variable is a function that associates a real number with each element in the sample space. It is a variable whose values are determined by chance. Thus, in simple words, a random variable is a numerical quantity that is derived from the outcomes of a random experiment. There are two types of random variables: the discrete and continuous random variables. Discrete random variable is a random variable whose values represented by count data. This happens when the set of possible outcomes from an experiment can be counted. For example, a number of households in barangay. So basically, a discrete random variable can be counted. Some examples of discrete random variables are number of cancer survivors in Cebu, number of people who uses brilliant soap in Barangay Maya, number of songs Jong Ilhon composed. Let us now move on to continuous random variable. It is a random variable that takes values on a continuous scale. This happens when the set of possible outcomes from an experiment cannot be counted but can be measured. For example, a height of grade 11 students. Continuous random variables represent measured data like height, weight, and temperature. Some examples of continuous random variables are amount of liquid in a 1-liter Coke, height of senior high school students, getting the temperature of patient admitted in a hospital. So, for our quiz a while ago, I will now reveal the answers. The answer to number 1 is discrete. The answer to number 2 is continuous. The answer to number 3 is also continuous. The answer to number 4 is discrete. The answer to number 5 is discrete. And that ends my topic about distinguishing between a discrete and continuous random variable. I hope everyone who watched this video can distinguish between a discrete random variable and a continuous random variable. Bye! Char!